Hey folks, ever thought about what happens to all your hard-earned assets when you're no longer around? What if I told you there's a way to protect your legacy and give your family peace of mind? Well, stick around and I'll tell you how. Hi, I'm estate planning attorney Mike Smith with Smith Barid LLC, and I'm one half of the estate planning guys. So let's be real. Not having a living trust can cause a ton of headaches for your family. Your loved ones could get stuck in a lengthy, costly probate process, and there's zero privacy about your assets. And that's a nightmare, and nobody wants that. So picture this. You've worked hard your entire life to build up your assets, whether it's your home, your savings, or your investments. Now imagine all of that being tied up in probate for months or even years in some cases, with your family having to navigate the legal maze and cover expenses out of pocket. Plus, everything that happens in probate becomes public record. Do you really want all your financial details out there for anyone to see? So what's the fix? A living trust. This little gem offers some fantastic benefits. You can bypass probate entirely and keep everything confidential. But let's dive deeper into how it works. A living trust is a legal document, and then you place your assets into the trust for your benefit during your lifetime, and it spells out where you'd like these things to go upon your death. You still maintain control over your assets while you're alive. You can buy, sell, trade, heck, gift it to anybody you want to, just like you normally would. The big difference is that when you pass away, the trust, not you, owns the assets, so they don't go through probate. So let's break this down with an example. Say you have a family home, some savings, and a few investments, and you transfer those into your living trust. Now, you're the trustee, meaning that you control everything just like before. If you become incapacitated, so like if you suffered a stroke or you developed Alzheimer's disease, your designated successor trustee steps in to manage things without any court intervention. After your passing, the successor trustee distributes the assets to your beneficiaries as you've outlined in the trust. But here's the kicker: the flexibility and control a living trust gives you. You can tweak it as your life changes. You want to add or remove beneficiaries? Done. Need to change how the assets are distributed? Easy. Here's another crucial point: avoiding guardianship. If you were to become incapacitated without a living trust, your family might have to go to court to get a guardian appointed to manage your affairs. This process can be lengthy, costly, and emotionally taxing. With a living trust, you've already named a successor trustee, bypassing this stressful process entirely. Plus, if something happens and you can't manage your affairs, your designated trustee can step in without any court hassle. It's smooth and seamless. The trustee can pay your bills, manage your investments, and handle any financial transactions just as you would have. So to wrap it up, a living trust can save your loved ones a lot of time, money, and stress. It's a powerful tool that makes sure your legacy is handled just the way you want. Think about it this way: a living trust is like a financial safety net for your family. It ensures that your wishes are honored and your assets are protected, all while keeping everything private and efficient. If you're curious about living trust and want to see if it's right for you, reach out to us at Smith Barid to schedule a consultation. Don't put it off. Take control of your estate planning today. If you found this helpful, check out our next video where we talk about how to pick the right trustee for your living trust. See you there. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, then take a moment right now to subscribe by clicking below and turn on the bell notification so you get notified every time we post up a new video. Right now we're posting 3 videos a week with lots of information about various estate planning topics, so you're going to want to make sure to stay on top of that. Click below to subscribe and click right over here to watch the next most relevant video about estate planning. Go watch it now.